हेलो गाइस, नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे जो है गूगल असिस्टेंट ये गूगल असिस्टेंट कैसे वर्क करता है। और गूगल असिस्टेंट के थ्रू हम अमेजिंग गेम्स, अमेजिंग जीके क्विज वगैरह कैसे खेल सकते हैं। काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेक्टिव गेम है, इंटरेक्टिव एप्लीकेशन है ये। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं दोस्तों। अगर आपने डाउनलोड नहीं किया है तो पहले तो गूगल असिस्टेंट को डाउनलोड कीजिएगा। तो गूगल असिस्टेंट डाउनलोड करने के लिए सिर्फ सिंपली आप प्ले स्टोर से क्या डालेंगे, गूगल असिस्टेंट। ठीक है दोस्तों, जैसे गूगल असिस्टेंट डालेंगे तो गूगल असिस्टेंट मेरा ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड है, तो आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा यहाँ से। उसके बाद ओपन कीजिए। ठीक है दोस्तों, मैं पहले एक बार मिनिमाइज कर देता हूँ सारा। तो गूगल असिस्टेंट जैसे ही आप ओपन करोगे तो ये आपको पूछेगा कि क्या करना है। ठीक है, तो क्योंकि ये मेरी आवाज़ पहले ही आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है तो मैं इसको दोबारा खोलूँगा। तो मैं जैसे ही बोलूँगा इसमें कि सपोज प्ले गेम, ओके, प्ले गेम।
All right, which one would you like to try?
लकी ट्रिविया, लकी ट्रिविया, लकी ट्रिविया, लकी ट्रिविया।
Great! Okay, when the music starts, things might get a little showbiz. Prepare yourself. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? No need to be afraid, it's just a game show. And I'm your Google Assistant, the host. How many contestants do we have?
We have 3.
3 contestants. Amazing! 5 rounds coming up. We'll start with some easy ones, so we can get to know each other. Let's see. Contestant 1. Will you say cashew?
Cashew.
Cool. I had you say that because it's the name I have for you on the card. I'm supposed to call you Cashew. Contestant 2, can you say Bigwig?
Bigwig.
Wait a second. I'll call you Bigwig if that's okay with you. If it isn't okay with you, maybe you can just put up with it for the next few minutes. Contestant 3, can you say Coconut?
Coconut.
Hello, Coconut. Wait, did I just call you Coconut? I guess that's your name now. Now that I have your names, let's dive into the game. Get ready, Cashew. You're our first contestant. If for any reason you want to end the game early, say stop. Let's see how you do. What is the 5th word in this sentence? Word. 5th. Or sentence.
Do. Do.
One more time. What is the 5th word in this sentence? Word. 5th. Or sentence.
Word.
Nailed it. You must read a lot. Or something. Next up, it's Bigwig. Here's your question. Solve this maths problem. What's 9 squared? 81, 91, or 79?
It's 81.
You're right. Here's one for coconut. Next question. It's about movies. Which character is in The Lion King? Scar, Bill Marx, or Kai?
Bill Marx.
I'm sorry, that's not right. It's Scar. Better luck next time. Round 2, coming up. Get ready, Cashew. Here's your question. The subject is animals. True or false, African geese aren't originally from Africa?
True.
Great job! You're a strong contestant. African geese originate in China. Here's one for Bigwig. This question is for you. The subject is language. Choose the word that means to work together. Deter, collaborate, or amity.
Collaborate.
Excellent, Bigwig. Excellent. That's correct. On to our next contestant, Coconut. Your question is coming. Here's a history question. True or false, November's name is derived from the Latin novem, meaning 9.
True.
I'm impressed. Great job. Round 3. Let's do this. Get ready, Cashew. This question is for you. Hope you're hungry. The pitaya, a bright red fruit with green spikes, is nicknamed what? Spicy banana, dragon fruit, or stone fruit?
It's stone fruit.
Whoops, sorry, that's wrong. It's actually dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is actually a cactus. Bigwig, you're up now. Your question is next. It's an animal question. True or false, all mollusks are invertebrates?
True.
Yes, I double-checked, and you're actually right. And we're back to Coconut. Here's your next question. Listen up. True or false, the world's largest rabbit, Ralph, weighs more than the world's smallest horse, Thumbelina?
True.
That's not right. Sorry. Thumbelina is 2 pounds heavier. Round 4 coming up. Cashew, your turn. Your question is coming up. Let's put your ears to the test. What animal is this? A rattlesnake, a mouse, or a weddell seal?
Weddell seal.
Great job, Cashew. Way to go. You're up, Bigwig. Prepare for your question. You may need a map for this one. New York City is in which time zone? Central, Greenwich Mean, or Eastern?
It's Greenwich Mean.
I can see why you guessed that, but no. You should have said Eastern. Here's one for Coconut. Next question. You seem to have a solid grasp of the English language. Tell me the word that means relating to the sense of smell. Cryptic, olfactory, or amorphous?
Cryptic.
Luck is not on your side this time. You got it wrong. It was olfactory. We're moving into the final round. Next up, it's cashew. This is your question. It's a food question. What's the name of the hottest pepper in the world? The jalapeno, the Carolina Reaper, or the ghost pepper?
Carolina Reaper?
Yes, great job. It's a red lumpy pepper about the size of a ping pong ball. The next contestant is Bigwig. A question for you is coming. I hope it doesn't sound too nerdy. True or false, there is a UFO landing pad in Alberta, Canada.
False.
I'm sorry, that's not right. And we're back to coconut. Here's your next question. This one will test your knowledge of the English language. Which word means a fit of violent anger or panic? Conniption, adulation, or battery?
Conniption?
You got it. Good job. You have finished all the questions. Let's see how your luck measures up. I had a song written for the winner, but I'm too choked up to sing it. Cashew, your skill and perseverance in this match blew me away. You deserve the win, and everyone deserves my admiration for playing. Thank you. Do you want to play again?
दोस्तों क्या इसमें क्या हुआ कि कैशियो जो पहला प्लेयर था वो जीता इस कंटेस्टेंट को। तो बेसिकली मैंने 3 प्लेयर डिसाइड किए थे, जो कि एक ये ट्रिविया प्ले है, तो ये गूगल एप्लीकेशन का गेम है जो हमारा गूगल असिस्टेंट प्रोवाइड कराता है। बेसिकली एक जीके बेस्ड क्विज था, तो इसमें जो कैशियो है वो एक गेम जीता। तो एनीवे हम आगे के राउंड्स में देखते हैं कि कौन जीतता है, कौन बेस्ट नॉलेज वाला पर्सन है। ठीक है, थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, थैंक यू।